It's a long time since I've had a proper Malay burger. Can she get a ayam burger with cheese? I'll have a special. Give me a special. What? Okay. Give me this with a little cheese also.
Mix special cheese.
Yeah. Thank you, man.
How much?
One. No, she's having just a ayam burger with cheese. I saw you on Google Maps. I saw the reviews. They're good. This is similar to Ramly, yeah? How many years have you been here?
Almost 40 years.
40 years? 40?
Yes.
So he's been here 40 years, not him though, right?
Yes.
He looks young, right?
Yeah.
Looks too young. Ah, double egg yolk.
Yeah.
Everyone.
Yeah, all.
Good. Good chickens, huh? Oh, smell. Paprika. Chili, oh. Wow, that smells good. Look at beautiful fresh veg on here, look. Okay, that's the special stack.
Yes.
So we're both going with cheese, American style cheese. So it's Fendy, FND, what FND? Fendy Burger. Not too heavy, little, you know. Yeah, not too heavy. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, perfect, man. Look, that's a masterpiece. It's a masterpiece. Oh, you're using Ramly package. So
Everything is Ramly.
everything is Ramly. Which one is this one?
This is mixed special.
Mixed special, huh?
Yes. And I will try mix.
Well, I'm eating here, so it's okay.
Mix.
Thank you.
Wait.
Okay.
This is chicken cheese.
Beautiful.
Special.
You're a master with this, man. It's an art form, you know? Making a good burger is an art.
Yes. It's art and experience.
Yeah, experience, but it's, you know, not everybody can do this.
Chicken special.
Thank you, bro. Okay, I'm gonna go and get drinks. Hello. Can I get 100 and do you have a tea terek? Okay, tea terek and 100.
100?
One. With ice, yeah, please. Over here, thank you. It's a long time since I've had a proper Malay burger. Now it's actually in Ramly packaging, so we'll call it a Ramly burger. But this is Fendy Burger in Kluang. Look at, these are so messy. Look at this. Beef, egg, chicken, cheese, and sauce galore. I don't know what else is in here. Let's just get this. I think you're meant to hold it. I think you're meant to hold it in the paper.
Chili.
It's hot. This is a little bit like, what's the other drink this is like, Michele?
Pocari Sweat.
Pocari Sweat, something like this?
Yeah, it's a bit
sort of
sweeter, this
electrolytes drink. Michele likes it over ice. Most delicious, look at that. Can I have a little slurp?
You can.
I do like Michelle's 100. She always has it, but I felt like a poured tea. Yeah, that's good, Michele. Well, that's refreshing. Now, when I bit into the burger just now, there's a lovely spice in there. I want to say it's like a smoked paprika, but there's also chili. It's really distinct. Michele, you're going to smell this. You'll know it's very different. This is a different flavour. Oh, I'm getting so messy. Different flavour than any other burger I've had in Malaysia. And it's that powder. It's a chili powder, but it seems to have smoked paprika in it as well. I'm not 100% sure. So this is the special. I've got burger, I've got a hamburger, I've got a chicken burger, egg, and cheese, and a big salad in there. Absolutely love the spice. You're going to have it in yours as well, Michele. It's not too hot,
No.
but it's really smoky. I think the idea, Michele, is you hold it in the paper. Do you reckon? Is that the idea?
I think that's better.
Maybe the locals. Oh no, it's too faffy. These are the world's messiest burgers, and I'm sure there's a better way to eat them. I'm a right mess. Thank you, man. Terima kasih. Thank you. Thank you. Well, we've been only 2 hours in Kluang. We walked almost 20 kilometres, so I think we deserve that that Ramly. I think it's another town. It's something about Malaysia that you're never far away from somewhere to eat. So we're leaving our hotel, Annika. We got the right one in the end. And heading up to JB or Johor Bahru. Discovered that everyone just calls it JB, which is a bit easier. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Okay, so we're about to leave Hotel Annika, head up to Johor. So we're gonna grab and head to the station. So back at Kluang station. We've got quite a wait now, isn't it? That's nice.
You the driver or the driver's here? You're the engineer.
Just a little bit.
Hello, man. Okay, let's go and get on this train. That is a beauty. If you look at that, proper train. I'm not sure which carriage we're on. Let me get on the train and have a look for Michele. See if I can find Michele. Not in this one. Somebody having a full-on sleep. There she is, right at the back. There we are. So we're facing the wrong way.
Yeah, at the back of the train.
Okay, so there's only 3 carriages this train. This is how we roll for you. I should say a big thank you to Bruce Wayne for sending us a little PayPal donation yesterday, which we'll use wisely as we always do. That looks nice, Michele. Is that local cuisine? Is that local food? Or is that a pork schnitzel and chips? it? JB Sentral. JB Sentral! You can't hear me! That's noisy. They're noisy, those diesel trains. Oh, it's a big railway station. So everybody's staying to the left. In case anyone wants to walk up the stairs. Nobody's walking up these stairs. It's Malaysia. People don't walk anywhere in Malaysia. We're here.
The ticket out. They don't want my ticket.
They don't want the ticket.
Didn't want it going on. They don't want it.
Okay, so we're here. This is JB Sentral. Never been to Johor Bahru before. It's completely new to Michele and I. What do we do now? Suppose we find a grab, get a grab and head to our hotel. Okay, so we've come down these escalators out of the main building where the train came in. And then we've turned left. There's a sign that says taxi and bus. So I think this is where we'll be able to get a grab. Well, there's a lot of construction going on. Oh yeah, we're here. So standard grab. Let me just go back. Go from there. So it's coming, it's nearby. So we've got a taxi, 2885. So, grab came quickly, dropped someone off. Now we're off to the hotel.
It's Malaysia's second biggest city.
Never been to Johor. No. A lot of construction here, right? I think they put in a new rail or road in. It looks like rail, maybe. Is this a road or a railway?
Railway.
It's a railway, yeah. I thought so. It looks. Look, is that the old railway station? That'll be the old railway station there, Michele. That's a beautiful old building, isn't it? It's a museum now. KT Museum. Yeah, so Johor Bahru is known as JB locally. It's the second largest city in Malaysia, and it's very, very close to Singapore. And people use it often as a stopping point if they're coming into Malaysia from Singapore or vice versa. I love Johor Bahru. It's a Harley club, I think. A Harley Johor. Oh, cool. Okay. Is this a good location or so-so? So-so, right? So this is the hotel that we rocked up to, Hako Hotel. Now I'm not sure about the location. It looks nice, the place looks nice. We were going to book 2 nights, but I think we're better just do a night here and explore the area. See what happens. Oh, nice. Hello. Okay. That's quite tidy.
Yeah.
Let's see if we've got a a view of sorts, yeah. I asked if we could have a reasonable view. I don't think this hotel has much better than this. Wow, look at the size of those pillows.
I need to jump on those.
Let's go next to those, Michelle. Give them a scale. They're massive. Big. I don't think I've seen such big pillows. A nice, clean, modern bathroom. Yeah, this is okay. This is okay for a night. Is that even possible? Wow, that's cool. I'm not worried about the balance. How thick is it under there? It looks pretty thin. I'd go right to the top. I'm not sure how strong that little peninsula is.